We are going to get the banana. Oh my god, it's cold. Because it's cold. And I don't want there. Because that might get frozen and ruined. So ato nang tubaon para natay kanon. Kay tingtugnaw na. It's like a squirrel, you know. They always pack up. They always
stand over a little bit.
What do the squirrel do? They always hide food before winter comes. And so this is our food for the winter. My helper. Hello.
Are you cutting it down?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time. It's the tree is already dying. I was hoping to make it there until it ripened a little bit, but it's been chilly temperature, so it is time to knock this down. Yeah.
That's just water.
Stay, wait, girls. Wait, girls. Wait. I'll stay there. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, do it. Oh, no! You're gonna drop it. You're gonna drop it. Don't drop that.
Well, hold it then.
There.
Okay, look out.
Banana.
Chop off this one.
Look at all that water.
Look at that. The rain actually boosted up. Look at that. I'm so happy. It's already, you know, it is the right time to harvest this. Oh, look at that. It got stuck together. You know, the babies out there. You have to let the babies grow on there. Yeah.
More?
Yeah, once one mommy died, the baby come out. It's true.
Oh, from the root.
Yeah. Just like that, you know. That one is the mommy. Then and did you see these little babies? This one right here. That's a replacement.
Oh.
Oh, the back too.
Okay.
That's a replacement. See, the banana is it's very cute family.
Take your picture.
Fucker, daddy. Daddy always gonna ruin my pocket.